In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or record audio narration to slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to make your presentation more engaging, adding narration is a simple and effective way to do it. This can be especially useful for training materials, class presentations, walkthroughs, or any slide deck that needs spoken explanation. In this tutorial, we'll go through the built-in recording option in PowerPoint so you can attach audio directly to a slide. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the narration to appear. Once you're ready, head to the top menu and click Insert. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding extra content to your slides, including images, videos, and of course, audio. After that, click on Audio. This opens the audio options available in PowerPoint. Since we want to create a narration directly inside the app, choose Record Audio. This will bring up a small recording window where you can create your voice recording without needing any separate software. In the recording window, click the Start Record button to begin recording your narration. Before you do, it's a good idea to make sure your microphone is connected and working properly so your voice comes through clearly. Try to speak at a steady pace and in a quiet environment if possible, since this will help the final audio sound cleaner and easier to understand. When you've finished speaking, click the Stop Record button to end the recording. This gives you control over exactly how much audio you want to capture for that slide. If you make a mistake while speaking, you can simply record again before saving, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Once you're satisfied with your narration, click OK. PowerPoint will then insert the audio onto your slide. At that point, your recording is attached to the slide and can be played during the presentation. You may also notice an audio icon appear on the slide, which shows that the narration has been added successfully. And that's all it takes to record audio narration directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat for other slides in your presentation. If you're creating a narrated slideshow, just follow the same process slide by slide until your presentation is complete.